Are we both in frame?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right.
So I'm in Will Walker shop today. Do you have usual issues doing the intros? or
Yes,
anything?
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too many takes?
Yeah.
Maybe we could work with leather.
I think that's super cool. I've never worked with leather, but I really want to.
What I really need is a tool belt for when we start to renovate the house and work on that.
I grew up in construction. I've got a bunch of framing construction going on right now, so I could definitely use a new tool belt.
Okay. I
So-
brought my leather tools and I brought some leather.
Yeah, they
So-
drove all the way across the country just to come into my shop and teach me how to work with leather.
Exactly, that was the whole goal. So I'm just doing a soft cut first.
Yeah, so you're somewhere.
So
for your
I'm
knife
gonna
to
get my
line.
lines.
I like a hybrid of both.
And like that. It could be perfect.
So this is called a sky?
Skiver.
Skyver.
Sometimes you can just do like, you accidentally take like a really thick chunk and you don't want to do that. What's that better? Let's see which hole would be best for that. Just right.
Got that in 120 frames a second. Yeah, me and Paul.
Modeled it after that one to do the other one to make sure.
You can see we're not big perfectionists.
Not very perfectionist.
Alright, I gotta. Like that. Ooh, I like that. That's cool.
So I got a thinner piece of leather here, and I'm gonna make this little loop.
They came over and took us out to eat and everything.
Alright, so you did them every inch.
I did every inch, exactly.
Okay.
So I'm wearing my belt. So
Very cool. Oh, so you
very
did
cool.
you did add
I
another.
did an extra one. So we got this far today, but we want to add these tool holder things. So I think we'll have to come back for that
Yeah.
and do that another day.
Yeah. And we gotta really figure out what we want to hold in our daily tool belt and for what application.
Exactly.
That was cool. We actually got to do something.
Yeah.
You know.
Hey you.
Alright, here we go.
So that's all the tools and equipment and leather going down to Will's shop. So really cool to be back here today. We're gonna continue working on the tool belts. So this is where we got to last time. Got a piece of veg tanned leather here, cut to fit me, got holes punched, got the buckle and 2 loops. Now what I want to do at this point is create a few holders.
We should try it.
Yeah, and the idea is to use a slit. So this is another veg tan piece of leather, it's thinner. Oh yeah. What are you doing, August? See, I would like one that has just room for like nails or screws.
I'd like something to hold like a marking knife. This would be like my woodworking setup, you know,
Yeah.
where I'd have this and it's like, okay, I'm laying out joinery. Speech, but like couldn't process. Scrutinize over
I can make a little...
this one.
What does it sound like a zombie or...
Technically, more interesting.
Historic and mountainous.
In Florida, 2 weeks ago, a week ago.
I'm gonna like trim
That's
this, make it a
cool.
little like
Yeah,
rounderish.
I like it.
That looks awesome.
Yeah. Because no one's in imminent harm.
And then I can just hold this.
It's like, I like this kind of stuff because it feels very bushcraft.
Yeah.
You know, doesn't it? Yeah,
Zombies.
killing zombies, and we need holders for our shotguns too. A measuring tape. And I'm gonna make a pocket with another pocket here.
Okay, that's actually,
Oh, that's kind of nice.
I like that better.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
would sew it if I, you know, in terms of the strength.
Okay.
But, unless you do 2 rivets, but. I was gonna make a screw pouch, and I thought little design, small, nimble screw pouch.
For tax.
Right.
It was scrapped. Boom! Okay, Will's belt is done, more or less.
More or less, yeah. I feel like I'm gonna need to use it more to figure out what else I want to put on
Feel
it.
for things.
Yeah.
As you're using them. This will kind of be a work in progress, and then I'll add more pouches as I need them.
Yeah, so you went with a more utility pouch, like hold lots of stuff. And I went with more of a dedicated.
Each little pouch is for one thing, which
Yeah.
I really like.
Yeah, so I've got my marking knife, my marking gauge, and a small engineer's square.
I'm thinking more like construction, gonna put in some flooring, gonna put in some windows, just like general tools, although I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be needing. So if you don't know Will, check him out. I'll put the link to his YouTube channel in the description below. So yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to a lot more projects with you guys now that you live so close.
We're practically neighbors.
Yeah.
We are having a meetup this Saturday, August 4th at the Hardywood Brewery.
2:30 p.m.
2:30 p.m. and you're going to be there as well,
I
right?
am, yeah.
If anybody is in the area, make sure to come by. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's family friendly. Come by, have a beer, and meet some other people.
See you guys there. I love it.
Look what you did, Will,
I
to our stuff.
know, I'm such a good host, right?